While writing a script or some code, I find myself typing slower and slower each time. I usually had to glance down at the keyboard to make sure my fingers are on the right keys, just so I don't make any errors. After a while, I started to feel like I needed to get some more practice with typing. I was recommended an application or web service called Typing Web, which was a free-to-use typing tutor. What this application is supposed to do is help the user type quickly and more efficiently so that productivity can be increased. To achieve this, it uses the high school method of teaching. It makes you look at your screen and cover your keyboard and start typing. Sounds simple enough. Of course, you could always look down and cheat, but that's where you have to learn self-control and not do that. There are several courses throughout this tutor, a beginner course, an intermediate course, and an advancement course. There are some special courses, but they will go through the same thing just a little bit differently each time. I began with the first course and a lesson which was just the F and J key. It gives you a brief summary of what you're supposed to do and where your finger's placement should be, and lets you begin. The timer didn't start until I started, so it does give you a lot of time to prepare. You will notice that there's some repetition with these exercises by pressing the F key 3 times or the J key 3 times, or a combination of the two. This will allow you to get it memorized in your head. So you'll go through these exercises throughout the entire learning session until you reach your test, which to me seemed easier than the actual study lessons. The test consists of you copying everything you see, which can have a range of all lowercase letters, punctuations, capital letters, or perfect sentence structure. At first the test seemed to repeat itself, but then I started to notice the small detail of how little the changes were just to the text were becoming. Sometimes it can confuse you as you work, but if you keep your mind focused, you will be amazed on how fast you can type down this information. Are you wanting some practice on improving your typing speed? Or just wanting to learn how to type faster or to improve your typing skills? Why not give this typing tutor a try?